Sunday, Easter Sunday, and we were hungry, so we're gonna go and see what we can do to find something to eat. So we're gonna go for a little walk, and we'll see if they're open. If they are open, we're going to buy some stuff. And they're out here cooking already. Barbecue set up for tonight. And there's a lot of places right now. There's a lot of places right now. You know, here they are doing some food as well. This guy up here, just around the corner from home, he is he actually lost his job in a Chinese restaurant due to the COVID, right? And he decided to do something about it. Hello.
Hello.
So here is what he did. It looks pretty good. Best food in town, right? So he has all kinds of goodies. What do you got today? Do you got pork today?
Yes, we have pork.
No pork today.
Chicken and fish only.
Chicken and fish. Okay. Well, that's good. But I'm gonna come back a little later.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a little walking vlog, and I figured I'd cover you on the way up.
Okay.
All right. So
Later.
yeah. So I just told him a little bit about you. You lost your job due to COVID, right?
Okay.
So then you came up with the idea of starting
Starting my own business.
your own business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's a good thing, I think.
It is.
Yeah.
Nowadays.
So how is it going? Is it going well for you here? Or?
Yeah, a bit well. You can actually raise a family with that kind of business.
Okay. Well, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. All right. I like the food, and I'll be back.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
See you later.
Okay. Yeah. So you guys see, they have a little bit of everything. We cover it up a little bit, so it's very good. All right. Let's go for the next one. There's plenty of places that cook around here now. You know, during COVID, we've seen a lot of increase, right? Right, Brian?
Yeah.
No, Ryan, not Brian.
Yeah.
I was thinking of oh, we had a smoker coming in here, and in this little corner, just a couple 3 minutes away from home, we have a laundry place. They started about a year ago, I think, and it's cool. Doing a great job. Another hair salon in here. It's a little bit of everything. It's a little more traffic and people out today. Yesterday there was not a whole lot of people out at all. And here they just paved the road.
Finished.
This was a dirt road, and it's kind of the last street, I think, inside the barangay that finally got concrete on the street. And here's my barber shop. This is where I go. I intended to go the other day, but got distracted. So he's having gonna be interesting to see if they're open. This is the place I was gonna go to and see if they have what I'm looking to buy. But maybe they do. And this is what we're looking for. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're fine?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if you got what I need. How are you?
I'm good.
All right.
Bye.
basket.
We're doing a little vlog, and I'm gonna buy me some equipment. Do you have the Samgyupsal grill, right?
Yes.
And you have propane.
Oh, what's that?
You have propane for it and all that,
Yes.
tanks and everything. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see what they got. Huh? Yeah, one of those. That's what we're gonna buy. You have these, right? Samgyupsal cookers.
This one is $8.95. The portable, and this one is $800.
So this is just a plate, right? So it's 16 for both. I mean, you need that, right? We need one of these, right? So,
Plate and this one.
right?
We have also electric.
Electric
grill.
Nah, this is nicer. You can put it on the
Yes,
table and
Yeah, it's center.
new portable gas storage. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And that's the only model you have, right?
Yeah, this one, this is the gas, it's the only model, but this one you can have choices outside.
Oh, you have choices out there?
Yes, sizes, these
Okay.
different sizes.
Okay, so where are the size? I'm gonna take one of those. One of these, right?
This one. Okay.
Yeah, and propane. You got propane right there.
This one is just $197 for 4 only.
197 for 4?
Yes.
Cheap, yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Wanna get it?
Yeah,
Of course.
we're shopping. And then we gotta get, you know, we gotta get the ingredients too. We gotta have some pork. We gotta have.
She can assist you.
All right, you can assist
You
me.
want me to get the stuff for you?
This girl, huh?
You want me to get the stuff?
Yeah. Let's see what they got out here. So you have different. You said you had different.
Different
Plate.
styles and sizes.
Oh, okay. So which one is the better?
This one, sir.
Right.
Very nice.
And does it have?
Also the scissors and
How much is this?
cost 1,400.
Oh, okay. That was a little more than I want to spend, but
Here, what is that? Same price?
This one is 850.
okay.
This one?
But they all fit on that propane, right? So
Yeah.
so there's. Yeah. Yeah, we can. Well, what about the other one? I like the other one. That was in
The one
there.
that's inside.
Yeah, I liked it. So this is okay. So this is the drain, right? How does this drain? Oh, okay. So it drains here. Okay, that's okay. I see. But that's 1,400. I don't want to spend 14, but they're all pretty much the same price, right? So
This one is 1,299.
1,299, 1,4.
1,400.
Yeah, but why don't we get the one inside there? It's okay. All right. They got a little bit of everything here. Selling handbags too, huh? Hello.
Hello.
All right, so we get that. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, we'll get that one and one of those things.
Want to take a look?
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. I like that one. Yeah, and it goes over here. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yung portable.
Andyan na.
Yeah, get one portable, right? We'll do that.
How about
Huh? Meat? Yes.
meat? And beef?
Pork. You have lettuce?
Yes, we have one.
Okay. You have good lettuce? Is it fresh? Good? And then you have pork. So it's already sliced?
That one is beef.
That's beef. Okay, so this is pork?
Yes.
How much for a pack?
198.
198?
That's 500 grams.
500 grams. Okay. 500 grams. Will probably, you know, this you could do yourself. You can buy pork, big pork, and cut yourself.
That one is the vegetable.
Right. And it's fresh.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, give me that one.
How many?
One is okay. We're only 3 people. All right, and that. And then how about
Paste.
huh?
Samgyup. Like this.
What is that?
Paste.
Paste?
Yes.
And what is this paste good for?
For the
For the
pork.
For the pork?
Yeah.
It's like the sauce.
The taste good.
You need
How much is it? How much?
150.
Okay. All right. Samyang. Okay. So what else?
Coffee?
No coffee. I had too much coffee today.
Hello.
Hello. I had too much coffee today. Anyway.
Hi.
How about what do you call it? Kimchi.
Yes, we have kimchi.
Where?
There.
All right, let's go and find some kimchi.
This is the small one, the medium and large.
No, not large.
Large.
Yeah. Large. And yeah, one is fine. I think. Yeah, it's good. Huh?
Need more? How about this one?
Nah. Oh, seaweed is good
Yeah.
too. Seaweed is good.
This one tastes good.
Yeah, this one is good. I think we had this one. We tried it.
Only a 63.
you like that?
Huh?
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. I put some kimchi in it,
The rice, man.
and rice is also good. We'll do
How about sausage? We have also sausage.
sausage.
Yes.
Yeah, why not? We can try. Huh?
The other one is more good.
Bigger? Which one is
The green one.
this one? Is it bigger?
No, it's more, it has olive already.
I'm gonna buy one of those too. We try it. All right. Okay. Sausage. I see.
We
Yeah.
have the small one and
Are they like hot sausage or what are they? Is it spicy or
no, it's not.
you have any
It's,
spicy
tastes
sauce?
good.
Yeah. I'm sure it does. How much is it?
115.
115 for one pack. Okay, we'll try one. All right. They got a little bit of everything here, right? Okay. Okie dokie.
Dito.
All right. Here. Hold that.
Dito ko.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
very much.
Our life in the Philippines. Yeah. Check it out.
Yes.
Right?
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Our life in Philippines.
Our life in the Philippines. Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. We'll see you soon again. So we're gonna go home and cook some samgyupsal for dinner tonight. Actually, I like it. It's pork. In this case, it's gonna be a little sausage, more than likely. Also, lettuce, kimchi, a little bit of everything. So that'd be a good thing to do. Okay. All right, put that on there.
Whatever.
So,
So you have that, right? Wait.
yeah.
Oh, what?
Okay, it works.
This is blocking it from.
No, it shouldn't be blocking it. Ah. Okay. So that's fine. Okay, so it closes that. Okay, now we know how it works. That one pushes out and it closes, right? Right now, and then,
You can't push it because it's blocking.
well, that could be.
There must be like a.
Is it something where that thing is actually going to be a certain way? Instructions in Korean, that doesn't work with me. So anyway, we actually figured this one out, right? But the master engineer to this, he gave this to me upside down. So, okay.
It was
So this little thing here, right?
It was.
Obviously this is the right side up. And we
We were
try to put
trying
it
to put
in
it
this way.
That's why it was.
It works. Flawless when you do it right.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that was funny. So now it's working. And the flame is up. We can cook. Right. So that's cool. All right. Now we can cook. Start cooking a little late.
Okay.
A little later. All right. Yeah. All right, so that is the garlic and the onion, and I'm crying. But that is all done. So now we're gonna go and cook a little later. All right, so we are cooking some samgyupsal. Samgi. And she's the master chef here.
You got plenty at the house.
Huh?
You got plenty at the house.
Yeah, I know. But it looks good.
It's delicious and it's surprising.
So here comes the wife. It looks good. Hopefully it tastes good too. That pork is interesting because compared to low fat pork, only fat pork, only fat pork. The pork gotta have a little fat in it.
It has to taste better.
It does. All right, so we got a little onion. You can throw some tomatoes on there. This is the, what do you call it?
Kimchi.
Kimchi. That's the paste. Right there.
Delicious.
And lettuce, everybody knows. Let's throw some garlic around the corners. Some sausages. Garlic like that. That's good. I like this thing.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's good for a couple of people, you know. Might be small for 5-6 people, but.
No, it's good.
But this is a meal you eat like you eat this meal,
When
but
you're cooking it.
you eat while you're cooking, and you do it slowly. And well, it's time for you to start digging in, Umberto.
Time for me to dig in.
Huh?
Time for me to dig in. I will dig in.
Go ahead. You need some.
Sausage.
You need some. What else do you need? You got the sauce. Do you want me to get you a couple of spoons or something?
No, I got.
I was gonna throw those on the grill too. That's why I sliced them that way.
That's fine.
Huh?
That's fine. Look what I did.
Yeah. But it's good. What do you got there? Yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt? Greek yogurt?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good, good.
That's probably pretty good.
Yep. Let's just put a little bit on top like this.
Yeah. Oh, what is that?
That's it.
Let us escape from the plate. All right. We have some garlic cooking. We have everything cooking now, right?
Yeah.
All right. That sounds good.
Perfect. And a little bit of
Kimchi.
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 Here.
There. We'll remove the kimchi with a fork, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to top it. To top. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready. Let me see you take the first bite. The first big bite on that.
Make a sandwich.
It's like a lettuce sandwich with pork and everything else.
Mmm.
Good? All right. All right, then we'll eat and enjoy. You want to eat? Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.